Hey everyone, welcome to the How to PC channel. In this short YouTube video, we will talk about how to report Temu product or Temu item. So if you think, for example, this product is a scam, like the seller didn't ship it to you. So first of all, I advise you to contact the Temu support. You can do it this way, just hover your mouse over support at the top right, and here you can chat with Temu. And after that, you also can report this item. Just go to the products page and now scroll down a little bit. And here you can find the report this item button. So just click on it. In this window, you need to select the necessary report type. For example, there's a problem with my order or another one. And also you can add a detailed reason. Just describe it in this field. And after that, you can submit just by clicking on the submit button. So this is how you can easily report an item on Temu. Hope my video was clear for you. Please subscribe to my channel and like it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.